We specialize in turning high ceilings into new rooms quickly and affordably. In most two-story homes, if the ceiling is high enough, that big open space over your head may easily be converted into a new bedroom, bathroom, home office, home theater, a game room for the kids, a second-floor laundry room. Well, you get the idea. Just use your imagination. Those old-fashioned high ceilings are really just a waste of valuable living space. And they can make your home sound a little like a gymnasium inside. After gaining valuable new living space, that echo goes away, and your home sounds and feels much more warm and comfortable. By converting your high ceiling into a new room upstairs, you simultaneously remodel the look and feel of the room downstairs. This is a great opportunity to customize the new downstairs ceiling. Coffered tray ceilings can upgrade the look and feel of the room below by raising the center of your ceiling 4 to 6 inches higher than everywhere else. Converting high ceilings into new rooms is really a project for a specialized designer and contractor. You wouldn't ask a plumber to design and build you a new roof. That's a job for the roofing specialist. Likewise, you wouldn't ask a contractor who only builds room additions outside to build and retrofit a structural room addition inside your home and expect it to be perfectly fitted and blended. This job belongs to the inside addition experts.
We are Cameron and Elisa Okamoto. We live in Encinitas. And when we first bought this home, we were able to go up to our neighbor's house and see the high loft room conversion. And it was this same model home. So we always kind of had it in our mind that here we have this 3-bedroom home, but we love the neighborhood, and the possibility of adding a 4th bedroom was really appealing.
We have this high ceiling right here, and then we have 3 kids. So the boys were sharing a room, and it was getting tight, and our oldest son is 13 years old, so he was getting a little old to share. So we thought, perfect time to get a 4th bedroom put in for our 3rd kid.
I can say that Aaron and Luis stand out as truly
the best.
The best. High quality work, professional, close attention to detail.
The cleanest contractors we've ever had.
Yeah.
There wasn't a speck of dust on the ground every day that they left. It was
immaculate.
Immaculately clean. You'd never know that there was construction going on because of any kind of dirt. It was so clean. And that helped us feel more comfortable. The design process was awesome. It was easy. It was great. You guys came down a couple times. We went over some floor plans, and then you showed us the 3D virtual room where we could navigate through on the computer. That was really cool. The project was seamless, done on time, done within budget. There was no hidden fees or anything like that. So it was just a great experience. We recommend them to any of our friends that come here and see the house, and they love it. So
it's almost like it's better than it was. It's like it was meant to look this way.
That's what everyone says. They come here and they say, it looks like it should have just been like this from the beginning.
Yeah.
That's the best part about it, is it doesn't look like an addition. It looks exactly how this house was supposed to look.